ANTHBOT Genie is a wire-free robotic lawn mower that uses advanced GPS and AI vision to automatically maintain your lawn without manual mowing or perimeter wires. It's aimed at homeowners who want a set and forget, smart lawn care solution. It cuts grass autonomously based on a schedule set through a mobile app. ANTHBOT Genie creates virtual boundaries and multi-zone mowing areas without installing physical wires. It uses AI cameras to detect trees, furniture, pets, and other objects to prevent collisions. It returns to its charging station when the battery is low and resumes work automatically. ANTHBOT Genie allows users to monitor, start, stop, or adjust mowing height and schedules via smartphone. It finely cuts grass clippings and spreads them on the lawn as natural fertilizer. The main purpose of ANTHBOT is to save time and effort, provide consistent lawn maintenance, reduce manual labor, offer smart, automated garden care.